Yeah, like lower back.
Okay.
That's probably the main thing.
Okay, cool. A little bit harder. Got it? Press back.
It went. Oh, I felt that.
Good.
Oh. No. That was the one that I was scared of. That was nuts. That's so nuts.
Mind blown.
Yeah, I am.
You feel that?
Yes. That one was so loud.
Neck feel okay?
Yeah, I feel like I have like, I could be like an owl now, you know?